Melbourne's Metropolitan Fire Brigade is building a new emergency services training complex at Craigieburn in Melbourne's north. The MFB Training College will provide the MFB and other Victorian emergency services with training facilities of an international standard. Operational in 2014, the facility will better enable the MFB and other emergency services to deal with increasingly complex scenarios. The multifunctional drill yard will train recruits on fire station and truck operations, as well as rope, ladder and hose drills. It will also be used for parades and ceremonies. An academic building will house administration facilities and classrooms, with mess, change room and gym facilities. A 3.5 hectare practical learning environment will feature purpose-built training areas that simulate Melbourne's urban landscape. The 4-storey multi-purpose building provides a range of tactical and training scenarios. Some of these include a basement car park, pedestrian subway and office environments. A dam will enable recruits to train for those situations when a hydrant is not available and an open water source is required. The facility's marine environment will provide training for fighting both dock and waterside fires, marine rescue and pollution control. A petrochemical plant will replicate facilities found in Melbourne's industrial areas and will simulate fires involving hazardous materials. Here, foam training will also be incorporated, as well as low and high angle rescue. A factory complex will simulate the small industrial or service warehouses common across Melbourne. The Safe Working at Heights building will provide vital training in scaling a variety of roof forms made from different materials. The structure's internal walls and ceilings will expose a variety of construction methods and electrical and plumbing fittings. A residential area will simulate typical Melbourne suburban homes, training recruits in fire response and complex incidents involving conjoined properties. A petrol station will be used to simulate Bowser, LPG tank, dumpster and automotive workshop fires. The retail area will train firefighters in responding to emergency scenarios along a typical Melbourne shopping strip. This transport zone will simulate emergency scenarios requiring interagency response. Scenarios simulated here will include train and tunnel fires, tram and train stop incidents, and road accidents. An urban search and rescue area will accommodate training in search and retrieval in confined spaces, as well as heavy rescue. A high-rise building represents a typical Melbourne city building with multiple scenarios incorporated on each level. This exciting new facility for the MFB will provide firefighters with one of the best training facilities in Australia and adds to a vital network of emergency services facilities across Victoria.